Hello everyone. I'm gonna be doing a doorbell collection video. This is gonna be different from all the other collection videos I've done before. So yeah, I'm gonna be talking about them. Ignore my fingernails. My girlfriend painted them. That's why in some videos, if you guys were wondering for some reason. Okay, first is the red eyeball doorbell. That I got at Big Lots in 2016. These I think came out in 2015 and were sold until like 2018. Right here's the bat eyelid version, which was sold in 2019 to like I think last year or something. I don't think they sold any eyeball doorbells really this year. I actually have recently gotten sample versions of both of these over here. I got from Christopher S. Right here's the green one. Oh wait, I forgot to mention, I got that from Ace Hardware. This I got from TJ Maxx in 2018. I believe it was only sold that year. This is the spider eyeball doorbell, the red light version. Got it from Big Lot. No, I got it from Cracker Barrel. By the way, all of these work. I think one of the eyelids on that one doesn't work, and that one doesn't work. Right here, I think is the yellow, I think, light or something like that. Got off eBay because I couldn't get it in the stores. It was sold through like 2018 to 19, I believe. Right here is the black and white doorbell. Got that from Fleet Farm, I think. Right here is the it's basically a 2020 version of this one where the eyeball doesn't move. This is the white circle eyeball doorbell. Also sold, I think, only in, no, it was sold other years too. 2020 to like 2022 or 3. That is the green light version. I got that from TJ Maxx. And I got those from TJ Maxx as well. I know this isn't Gemmy, but I have it. My girlfriend gave it to me. Actually, right here is the released version of the white, which I believe was sold through 2015 to like 18. And in 2015, I think it was only UK exclusive. But I have 3 samples. This one, which I think is a 2017 one, and those 2 up there that I just recently got from Christopher S. I got that from eBay. That one I got from Cracker Barrel. And then right here is the bat eyelid version I got from at home. And I also got a sample one I got from Christopher S. up there. And then right here is like the spider doorbell thing. I got it off eBay. I think it was sold in 2020, but I couldn't get it. I bought it in like 2021, I think. Right here. Hang on, everything's like falling over on the floor. So this is the Grannon Road versions, the brass Eyeball Doorbell. Got that in 2017, which I believe they sold through 2017 to 2018, and then that's the 2019 version, the bad eyelid. And then right here is a sample, which I believe this is basically one of the ones that were sold in stores and not like Grannon Road, so I don't know if there's any differences between them. There's a knockoff Eyeball Doorbell. Right here is the Eyesore Eyeball Doorbell I got from Cracker Barrel. Yeah, I also forgot to mention I got that from Christopher S. and this from eBay. This also came from eBay. It's an Eyesore doorbell, but it's the bat eyelid version, which is pretty rare. I think a few more have actually popped up this year, but when I got this is the very first one I've seen of this. Right here is the UK Gold doorbell I got from eBay UK. Right here is the gray one I got from TJ Maxx. I know this isn't Gemmy as well, but here it is anyway. It was from, I got it in a lot with this. This is the black doorbell. This is 2016. The 2016 version. I think they were sold again in 2015 through 2018. That was only 2017, I believe. 2017 through 18. That says 2019, but I've never seen them in stores or anything. Yeah, and then this is the silver one that I believe is only sold in 2019. I also got it at Target. Right here is the knockoff version of this. I got it at this one store. I forgot what it's called. I think it's like Ross though, but it wasn't Ross. This one I got from eBay. I don't know what to call it, to be honest. Right here is the black circled eyeball doorbell. I got it from At Home. This one is the bronze eyeball doorbell. Got it from Walmart in 2020. And then right here is a prototype bronze version of the gargoyle doorbell. Right there is like a prototype or sample, I don't even know. Doorbell owl. I got those two from Christopher S. And this one right here, it's like a crow doorbell. I don't believe it got released. And then there's 3 more. They're right here. The silver or gray, I guess, the released one. Got that at Lowe's. Actually, I got all 3 of these at Lowe's. The bear trap thing, and this one. And that's pretty much it. I guess I'll play each of them once. Not all of them have batteries though, so.
It's alive! It's alive! Yes! Yes! It's
Yeah, that one broke recently. This doesn't open no more. Doesn't have batteries.
Enter at your own risk.
I'll show this one because why not? I don't think I've shown this one yet either, so. I guess the batteries are dead. These two don't have batteries, and that one does, but I don't want to play because I want to be careful with that one.
Can you hear the chill of my cold touch?
I'll play this one too.
Would you like some candy? Trick or treat? Enter at your own risk. I have not seen a face like yours in years. Enter at your own risk. Let me take a look at you. Closer, please. A little closer. Don't look now, but there's something behind you. Don't look now, but there's something behind you.
And those ones don't have batteries either. So that's pretty much all of the ones I have. I know I'm missing a few, like, I'm missing the other version of that. I'm missing the coffin doorbell from last year. I'm missing the spider one from Walmart in 2019. I'm also missing the red light version of the red one. There are a few I'm missing, which hopefully I could get sometime in the future. Let me know if there are any other ones I don't know of yet. But yeah, that's pretty much all of them. Thank you guys for watching. If you've made it this far, I know this isn't the best video and it's probably really boring, but if you made it to this point, thank you. And yeah, bye.